Hello everyone, my name is Lori Mayen. I'd like to welcome you to my professional ePortfolio. I'm very proud to be able to show this to you today. It is a culmination of all of my coursework within the MIT program. So first, I hope you'll start with the candidate info where you can really get to know me a little bit better. Not only is there a video, but there's some information about myself. I've included some personal and professional goals, and also where I'd like to see myself in the future. Also underneath candidate info, you will see my technology philosophy. There I've included how I believe technology should be used in our classrooms, as well as how I like to help other teachers engage and create within their own classrooms. And you will see my leadership philosophy there as well. I am the lead teacher of technology as well as a fourth grade special ed teacher, and I believe that we work together as a team and we all have a part to play in that team and a role where we can work together. I've also included my resume under candidate info. My activity evidence, you will find separate activities in which I've done to incorporate technology both with staff and with students. First, you'll find my professional development plan, which is an outline of exactly what I hope to accomplish and how I hope to accomplish using this technology. You'll note that one of the things that I did was helping teachers to train for Google Level 1. And my first activity evidence goes to that. I helped train with Google Forms, and this is the recording. I did this with staff members. You'll also find a link to my professional presentation that I used, as well as an article pertaining to teacher perceptions of Google Classroom and how they've used it or how they view using it in their classroom. My second bit of activity evidence is another staff training on Google Docs and Slides. It was offered to teachers within my district and posted on a website that would help them train. I also included the presentation, and my article here dealt with using iPads specifically as a way of using assistive technology in the classroom for intellectual disabilities. My third activity was something I did in my classroom and with my students. I taught this lesson in my classroom, and we incorporated a science concept that we were learning in order to make infographics using Canva. It was the students' first time using Canva, and I made my entire presentation in there. I hope you'll enjoy that. And my article here dealt with embodied learning using virtual technology, which is something that I'd really like to start incorporating within my own classroom over the next few years. The additional resources tab is something I am very proud of. All of the resources on this tab are something that I have made throughout the MIT program. A lot of them deal with legal issues surrounding classrooms and technology. Some of them are meant to help teachers incorporate technology into their classroom. And I also have student resources that would help a teacher use technology in their classroom appropriately and with good citizenship. My evaluation tab has both peer reviews and my faculty review. I had 2 classmates complete the peer review and 1 coworker who works within my district. I found that the peer review was essential, not only because it helped me pick out and correct a lot of grammatical mistakes and small errors that I had made that I really needed that second set of eyes to look at, but Jay and Jama really helped me with the format of my PEP here and the way that it looked. I think it's so essential when we've seen something over and over, we begin just to not notice little things. And so for them to help me out really made it an important part of this program. Suzanne Klagholz was my coworker who did that for me as well. And she also helped me make sure that my portfolio was professional and engaging to the viewer. Finally, in the reflection tab, not only will you find this video helping to tour you through my professional portfolio, but you will find a reflection that deals with not just this coursework, but the entire coursework of the MIT program. I am very happy to be finishing up this program. I feel like it has truly helped me to grow as both a teacher and a leader, and I hope you enjoyed looking at my portfolio as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you.